Hello everyone, thank you for joining us for another fitness video. Today's video is dedicated to you, our 50 plus and up. Grab your chair and let's get started. Okay guys, that's it for today's exercise. We hope that you share this exercise with someone close to you or someone who you know that is in need of exercise but may be limited to only being able to do it in the comfort of their home and also in a chair. Thank you so much and we'll see you on the next one.